Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about PHP form handling, and in this form handling we are going to see how to collect data from form. So there are two methods by which we can collect data from a form. One is get and another one is post method. So let's see one by one. So I'm going to create one new file, form.php, and in PHP let's add HTML and body, and let's add form. In the form let's add one field called name, and another field age. And a submit button. First let's see how it looks. So it's simple, name and age. Now let's add one thing, method. First we will see post method. As I said earlier, we can collect form data using two methods. One is get and another one is post. So first we will see post method and then action. So in the action I'm going to add one more file, hello.php. So what does it mean? So whenever we submit this form, it will redirect to this file and we can handle this data into this file using post method. So I'm not adding any file path, I'm just adding directly a file name. That means this file should be in the same repo. So let's add one file, hello.php. So hello.php is already exist. Okay, so I'm not making one. Yeah, I used in our previous video. So now this is the post method. So let me print post variable, and this post variable is called global variable of PHP. We can access this variable in PHP anywhere. As we are submitting this file through this form through this file, so we will get this form data in this file using post global variable. And why post? Because the method is post we defined over here. So now let's try to refresh this page. Let's add BuntyWP submit. So as you can see, it redirects us to hello.php and we are getting this data from the form. So this is how we can collect form data using post method. Now let me go this way. Hi, my name is $post, and we are getting name in this key, student name. So this key is belong to our form name. So whatever name we give, it will be a form array key of global variable. So we gave the student name over here. That's why we are getting key as a student name. So this is most important thing to understand. Whatever name we give, it will be converted as a global variable array key. So I'm going to say this. Hi, my name is this, and age is, so we are getting age in this variable. Let me add a line break. Let's remove this. Now let's refresh this page. So as you can see, now we are getting the value. Let me add the space. Sorry for the background noise. So this is how you can collect data from a form using PHP post method. Now let's use get method. So first let's see what happens if we use get method and submit it. So we won't get any data because we are now using get method. So when we use get method, we have to use this get global variable. So now let's see if we get our data. Yes, so now our data we will get in get variable. So instead of post, we can use get, like this. So this is how you can use get method. Now there is another global variable called request. So it works for both post and get. So this is when you don't know if form has a post method or get method. Now if I refresh this, we will still get this value in this request. So if we convert this into request, we will get the data. Let me edit again. And as you can see, we are getting data. So now when to use post method and when to use get method. So whenever you are going to add data to a database, at that point you have to use post method, and get method whenever you want to get a data from a database using a form. For example, search form. So in the search form you type something and you can get the result from the database. So in that case you have to use get method. So simply when you want to get data from a database, use get method, and when you want to add data to a database using form, then use post method. So this is how form works in PHP. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.